Prosecutors are pursuing the harshest penalties under the law, saying they intend to put the suspected Capital Gazette shooter behind bars for life without the possibility of parole.
The judge is now giving lawyers more time to decide whether they want to pursue an insanity defense. WGZ investigator Mike Kelgan is live at the Circuit Courthouse in Annapolis with more on the defendant in court today. Mike.
Vic and Denise, Jared Ramos wore a green prison shirt and pants. His legs were shackled. He was attentive but quiet, only speaking to his lawyer. Under heavy security, Jared Ramos, the man accused in the massacre at the Capital Gazette, faced a judge. It's the first time he's physically appeared in court since prosecutors charged him with the murders of 5 people at the newspaper. Anne Arundel County State's attorney is personally taking care of the case.
We're going to handle it just like we would every other case. If it needs to go to trial, we go to trial. If there's a plea that can be worked out that is fair and just to everybody involved, then we'll work out a plea.
Ramos has pleaded not guilty in the killings. The judge set the jury trial for January 15th of next year, and she extended a deadline for Ramos' public defender to file for an insanity defense.
We don't know where it's going to go yet, and that is something to be determined down the road. We set a trial date.
The 38-year-old had a long-standing feud with the newspaper. He was upset over an article they published about his stalking of a high school classmate. He repeatedly threatened reporters and managers. The judge agreed to protect the phone numbers and addresses of victims as prosecutors handed over grand jury testimony, police body camera videos, 911 calls, and other evidence to the defense.
My responsibility is to ensure a fair proceeding, and by handing that information over to defense counsel, we can ensure that they can prepare their case properly and so that we can have a fair proceeding.
The public defender will have until October 24th to decide whether he intends to move forward with some sort of an insanity defense. If the trial moves forward, the judge expects it to last 10 days. Live in Annapolis, Mike Kelgan, WJZ.